Hello and welcome to E30 M3 recreation on Car Lube TV. In this, the 21st episode, we're at Deutsch Tech in Milton Keynes. These guys are German car specialists with many years experience and project cars under their belts. Enz Lister's E30 is here for a full custom exhaust, and something tells me it will really make the S54 sing. Don't forget guys, you can watch the complete build story of this car on the E30 M3 recreation playlist. Link is at the top of the screen. I'm here with Dave, the gent responsible for this fabricating challenge. How about we take a look at the exhaust?
So what we've used is the original S54 manifolds.
Okay.
So kept the stock headers, and then what we've done is then modify them to clear the bulkhead. So we've actually, if you can get up there, you can see we've modified the manifold to obviously clear the bulkhead, so it no longer hits on the bulkhead or on the steering.
So the steering rack is not as it is on a normal 3 Series, so that's all modified,
Being the S54 out of the E36 M3, the manifold does sit differently in this chassis.
Yeah.
So what we've done is, like I say, we've modified the main primary at the front there to clear everything's got clear, and then what we've then done is then redirect the two downpipes essentially to.
How big is that? Is that 2.5?
That's 2.5 inch.
Yeah. Okay. Because you need back pressure on a normally aspirated car, don't you?
You do, yeah. Back pressure or total system pressure. It's got to be consistent.
Yeah. Okay, so all the welds look really nice.
Yeah, fully
is that TIG?
TIG welded. Yeah, fully TIG welded. It's made out of 316 grade stainless steel.
Yeah, so we won't get any rusting on that.
No rusting. Slight discoloration, obviously, once it gets warm, but yeah, generally.
The way that it turns purple is quite nice, actually. But that's quite decent. Around the steering rack there, was that quite problematic for you?
Being not the first one I've ever done.
Yeah.
It was fairly simple. The first one I ever had to do, obviously, it's working out all the angles to get it to sit exactly how you want it. Yeah, so it's full 2.5 inch, no mid-res.
Okay.
But the specification was to have obviously the X-pipe this far back.
The placement of that was quite vital, wasn't it, to the performance?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, that's obviously the customer specified. That's exactly where he wanted it, so that's where we've put it. Every tuner, every customizer has a different theory on how something should be done, so we listen to them, and we go by customer specifications more than our own.
Can you explain to me why that's not just a straight pipe all the way down, what the importance of that X-pipe is?
It's called scavenging. I don't know the technical term behind it. I don't know how it really works. All I know is it's there to balance the gases from one side of the engine to the other. So
right.
when you have a split pipe system like this,
yeah.
With two separate manifolds like a V8 or a V6. It's just the most efficient way of balancing the gases from one side of the engine to the other.
Because I've got that on my car, and obviously because it's got two banks of cylinders, is that?
That's the principle behind it. You can run it without it. It requires different sort of tuning, but yeah, that's from everything we've got told and everything I've learnt over the years.
Yeah.
That's how it should be. Again, that can change from front to rear, depending on the tuner, how they tune it, what sort of.
Because I would say that mine's right up here somewhere. You'd be familiar with the underneath of mine.
Yeah.
Now we've got as far as fitting. Well, as far as the back box right now, that's the next bit that's going on. Have you had a conversation with Enz regarding what you're going to be putting on there?
Yeah, literally just got off the phone with him, and we've just decided to keep it, one, as quiet as possible, so it's track friendly. Two, as original looking as possible from the rear. So yeah, we use references from genuine M3s, and we're going to try and keep it as original looking as possible.
Okay. But we'll leave the surprise of what it looks like in its entirety for the reveal.
As if we could finish this episode without letting you see the tips. Let us know what you think in the comments, guys. So a big thank you to Dave and Deutsch Tech for allowing us a sneak peek at the E30. And remember, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to Car Lube if you haven't already done so. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. We had a couple of technicians at our disposal, which was a perfect time for experts to diagnose our suspected faults, and with the ramps, generally have a good nosy under everyone's cars.